How to remove background from a video in Davinci Resolve 18. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here's what we are working with today. So this is a video that I have here and it's actually going to be very simple. Now this is applicable if the video is quite simple and has a very good contrast of colors. Now what we are going to do is just open our effects tab and then we're just going to go ahead and look for 3D keyer. Go ahead and add this to our video and then you're going to go ahead and click this one and then click open FX overlay, and basically what you are going to do is just highlight or drag this one here, make some lines until all that is left is just this white thing here. So if I were to let go of it, you can see that the background is gone. However, that is not applicable to some of the videos. For example, what I have here, if I were to use that one, it's actually going to give me a terrible result. So here's what we are going to do. We're going to go ahead and open the color tab. And here in the color tab, what we are going to do is look for the keyframes. We're going to go ahead and make sure that our playhead is at the beginning. And then we are going to go ahead and click this one. And then we're going to go ahead and click this. So what we are going to do now is just track the entirety of this person. So say for example like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this, but you know the gist here. I'm just going to go ahead and track everything here. Alright, there you go. So I have already tracked the person. I can just go ahead and click this one right here. And then we're going to go ahead and click this one in order for it to track everything in here. Okay, seems like it's done. Now what we are going to do is head over here and then we're going to right click and then go ahead and click add alpha output. Now this blue line, we are going to go ahead and connect it with what we have earlier, and there you go. And that is how to remove background from a video in Davinci Resolve 18.